Hello, and thanks so much for taking the time to actually watch my video. This video is going to be all about drop cards. I'm going to talk initially about why I believe they are so important if you really want to grow your team. I'm going to show you an example of a card that I used that is working, and I'm going to talk about how you really should be using these cards. Yeah. Now, I'm going to assume that you're in some sort of business, some sort of network, multi-level marketing business, and you need to obviously try and recruit members to your business. No network's going to grow. It doesn't matter how clever your opportunity is, unless you can obviously bring people into your team. I'm going to talk about obviously what I do to actually bring people into my team, and how if you do what I do, this will definitely work for you. Now, most people, if you've got like a normal business, it might be that you're obviously online, you've got a website, it might be that you've perhaps got like a shop. Well, that's all well and good because obviously people can actually see that. But we're talking about sharing an opportunity. And if, like me, you've been involved in networking for a while, you might have become frustrated when obviously people ask you what it's about, and you stand there for hours and hours explaining what it is you try and do, and in the end it just ends up giving you an almighty headache. Well, I don't do that no more. Right? What I use drop cards. Yeah, because I don't want to waste my time talking to people who are skeptical. I don't want to waste my time in having to explain every single thing about the business because my time's precious. Now, whilst I don't earn fortunes, my time, I still do value my time. So that is why these are the best things to use. Yeah. Now, I'm going to talk about initially, first of all, what I use on my cards. I'm going to show you this card. This is something that I use at the moment. Yeah. It basically is just saying you're looking for, we're looking for motivated people, people who want to earn extra money. Yeah. We want people who who are hungry, if you like, for the possibilities of achieving more in their life, right? So certain people, yes, they're going to look at that card and think, "What's all that about?" www.dumpyourboss.co.uk, and some people might be sceptical. Well, guess what? These are the people that never seem to join these businesses, and they're never the people that do well because they just can't. Yeah, they just don't believe it. Yeah. Now, for me, what I do when I'm using my drop cards is I I don't go out to actually do network marketing as such. Yeah. What I do is I use these cards as part of my day. It don't matter where I go, where I am using these cards. All this card is doing, it's sowing a seed of opportunity. Yeah, that's all it's doing. You could put out 100 of these and not have anybody look at your business. Yeah, it's possible. In theory, it could happen, but it won't. Yeah, what I do is I put these out all the time. Yeah, if I go to a petrol station, I'll leave them. I'll put some on the pump. If I go into a garage, I leave them on the side. It don't matter where I go, I am leaving my cards. The other thing I do, because I do marketing, I do sales, so every day I'm meeting different people, is as I'm talking to them, yeah, and I'm offering them, I'm asking them about home improvements because this is my primary business. Um, if they say no, I'm not interested, I just say to them, "Oh, can I ask you, mate? Can I just give you that card?" They say, "What's it about?" And I say, "Oh, it's just a home-based business that me and my wife are involved in. If you get a chance, take a look at it." Yeah. If they say, "Oh," if they keep going on here, "What's it about?" Just say, "Honestly, it's all on the card, mate. It's all explained." I won't enter into a big conversation about it. Not unless they really push me. Yeah, because I want them to look at the website. I want the website to do the recruiting for me. Yeah, it's very difficult to try and sell. I mean, the business I'm involved in is actually a free business. You haven't even got to pay to join it, which is very rare for a home-based business. But you know, I don't try and pitch them in the street. What I'm doing is I'm leaving these cards wherever I go. I'm not spamming places. You know, I'm not, if I put a few out in a car park, I try and leave them in strategic places. I might leave a few by the cash points. I might leave a few, drop a few in Asda's where I know there's high trafficked areas. Yeah, I'm being strategic. If I go into a doctor's surgery, I'll leave this. Perhaps I'll leave it in a magazine. Yeah. Sometimes if I've got spare time, I'll even sit and write actually inside the magazine. Yeah, I'll actually write. You want more money? You're looking to work from home? Check out my website. Yeah, it's a magazine. Yeah. Something else I do, which I've had a response from, is leaving them in magazines in supermarkets. Now again, don't go in there and start putting one inside every single magazine because they'll chase you out the store. Yeah. But what I generally do is you know, if I'll walk up and I'll perhaps leave a few inside the where the crosswords are, inside the like the sleeve of the thing that holds the crossword books. Because my way of thinking is, if they've got time to do a crossword, they've got time to think about how they can start earning more money. Yeah, it's all about these cards. It's all about thinking outside the box. Yeah, yeah. Yes, you're going to have people who who look at the site and think, "Do you know what, that ain't for me." Well, that's the game. You need to understand that with network marketing, you're not actually. I can't remember the guy who I watched because I still watch videos like this one, ways of helping me build my business. And people say that if you're serious about earning money in network marketing, you're sorting. You're not actually going up to people and talking them into what it is you want them to do. You're not doing that. You you want the people that are looking at that card and thinking, well, I want to earn more money. I want to find out what it's about. Yeah. You don't want to have to talk people into your business, even if even if like my opportunity, it's free because they're obviously not interested in it. You want the person that's going to look at it and think, I need to earn more money. I've got to do something. I've got to do something. I've got to get money. And they look at an opportunity. Yeah. Some will, some won't. So what? Yeah. All we are doing is we are sorting. You know, we are sharing something. Yeah. In our community, you know, you can, whether you're doing it online, Facebook, where however you're sharing your opportunity, that is all we've got to do. Yeah, we've not got to talk people around. I was watching a video yesterday, and the guy was saying about, you know, what people, when people ask him about, oh, what's it all about, and they're all skeptical and they're all like anti network marketing, and this bloke said, he openly said, I don't entertain them people because they're skeptics. They don't believe. They don't believe it. So why try and bring them into your business? Chances are, if you did talk them round and they did decide to join, yeah, there'd be an headache anyway. You want the people who are going to look at it, who are going to look at your business and think, do you know what? I'm going to find out more about that. I'm not going to be skeptical. I'm actually going to find out, you know, is it a real business? Is it a real company? Are there people earning money at it? That's all you've got to do. You just got to sow the seed. Yeah. So, you know, if you ain't using these to build your network marketing business, you really are leaving money on the table, because you need to remember that, you know, if like me, it might be that you catch a train every day. I mean, I don't catch a train. It might be like me that I've got my own 9 to 5, or, you know, my own business where I go to work, but I get free time within my day. Well, that free time that you get within your day, or actually, like in my case, when I'm actually working within my day, wherever I'm going, I'm sowing the seeds to this opportunity. I'm going out this afternoon. At the time I'm making this video, it's it's about 12 o'clock, and me and my son, we're watching the football. The football's on at 4. We're going out tonight. We're going to go bowling at about 6:30, and I know that where I'm going, there's going to be people there, and I won't get in people's faces, but I'll just leave a few of these cards wherever I go. Whether they decide to look at it or not, that's not up to me. I can't determine whether that's actually going to happen or not. What I can determine and what I can decide is is um, is on my activity. Is on my activity. Yeah. Am I gonna take action? Because that's what this is all about. Networking's all about taking action. The biggest earners will always be the biggest recruiters and trainers, yeah? And the biggest recruiters and the biggest trainers will always be the people that take the most decisive action on a daily basis, yeah? That's it. If you do these little steps, if you put these little things into action every day, if you're going out and you're sowing these seeds and you're putting these seeds in, and people, people might not look at, you've got to remember, people might not look at your business for 6 months. They might not look at it for a year. Yeah. It might be that it's been in their pocket. So you need to keep on doing it before you see, and it might be that you've got to, do it for 2 or 3 weeks before anyone does join your business. Yeah, but they will join if you show enough people the opportunity. Yeah, what I'm doing is free to join. Yeah, it's totally free. You get your own hosted site. You get your own website, fully loaded. Yeah, you can recruit people through it. All you've got to do is get people. Do what I'm doing now. Show people the opportunity and get them to look at it. Yeah. If I could get 20,000 people to look at my site, and then you was to only get 2,000 people to look at exactly the same site, but it was your site, I'll recruit more people than you. And it ain't because I'm any cleverer than you. It's simply because I've done more work than you, and I'm more deserving of getting those extra people in my business. Yeah, it's that simple. Yeah. Network marketing is for workers. The clue's in the title. It's network marketing. It ain't network sit on your ass marketing and not do nothing. It's basically, it should be called communication marketing. Communication. The more you communicate, the more you share, the more you will earn. It's that simple. Please check out my website. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Everything on my channel is designed to help you in some way, shape, or form. Yeah, I'm just, my whole channel really is aimed at helping people, and obviously helping myself. Obviously, I'm trying to do well, but you've got to take action. Start using these drop cards. Yeah, get a whiteboard, get a notepad. Yeah, and put on that pad every day. A good way to do it would be to say on day 1 you're going to put 20 cards out. On the next day you're going to put out 22. On the next day you're going to put out 23. Yeah. If you do it every single day where you go, you'll be amazed at what can happen. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And like I say, please subscribe to my channel. And if you've watched to the end, I really appreciate your view. And if you're already involved in a network, I wish you every success with your current networking business. If you're not involved in network marketing and you want to become involved in it and you haven't got money, this is the important bit. You haven't got money to start spending on joining these on joining these businesses, because some of them you have to spend $200-300. What I'm involved in is totally free, and this is going to be it's been predicted by Forbes magazine as being the next biggest multi-billion-dollar industry. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you what it's about. You need because I don't want you to prejudge it. I want you to go and look at my website. Because like I said before, if you ain't the sort of person that's bothered about looking at something, then you ain't for this business anyway. Thank you.